Hi, this is Professor Ria from Haldia Institute of Technology. Today, I will be discussing you about C programming, and the specific chapter is C function and some pointer idea I will be giving you. So let's start. So actually, what is function in C? Function is actually a block of code, okay, that we have to call because we when we are calling it, then it has been uh, initiated. Suppose you have to create a lots of calculation or lots of function you have to create in a one file. So you cannot write the code again and again. To shorten the code, to minimize the writing the code, we are using function because when we are creating the function, we have to just call it just one time and it will be created. Okay, so right now I'm presenting you the presentation of that so that it can be more easily to you. So let's start it. So देखो सब लोग, what is actually C function? Whatever I have already told you that it is a block of code, okay, and we have to run itself, okay. And in the function, within the function, it has been passed the data, and the data is known as actually parameters, okay. And functions are actually used to perform certain actions. Whatever actions, the actions that you have to create. Suppose you have to create the area and perimeter of a rectangle, suppose, okay. So whatever if normal program, we have to write the areas code, the perimeters code, and then the program will be thoda critical, okay, it will be. But if we are using function, just we have to create the function first and then we have to call it, then it will be automatically compiled and run. So all I will be discussed later, but step by step, actually what is function first I have told you. Now I will be discuss that a large C program is divided into basic building blocks that is called actually functions, okay. So right now we will be discussed you that what is the actual use of function. Use of function, already I'm told you that if we are not supposed to write the lots of code, we are using the function because it makes the program very easier. Just we have to write the function, we have to define the function, and just in the main program we have to call it. When we will be called the function, it will be automatically created, and whatever you have to make it, it will be done within that. Just we have to declare the function and it will be just called, and it will do the its program automatically, okay. So main the theorem is what is that it is very much easier, and it just makes the code very I mean क्या क्या बोलता है उसको, बहुत कम कर देता है. It makes the code very small. We just have to call it and we just create the function. Whatever program we have to do, we just create the function and we just call in the int main. All time you have to keep in mind that whatever we are creating and not creating, with whatever function we are calling, we have to make it within the main function, means int main. If you are doing it in the dev C++, you have to use int main, and if you have to doing it in turbo C, then void main ke andar it have to be right, okay, got it, okay. So it is actually used to avoid rewriting same logic or same code again and again, because तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो, सिर्फ वो वाला जो फंक्शंस का जो नेम है उसको सिर्फ आप लोग कॉल कर रहे हो, एंड वेदर यू आर कॉलिंग इट, इट विल बी क्रिएटेड. बट क्रिएटिंग जो फंक्शंस है, जो फंक्शन का डिक्लेरेशन है, वो मैं बाद में बोलूंगी कि कैसे कैसे it will be declared, okay. So now we are coming to the next point. Yeah, what is the main thing of function? It has been, when we are creating function, it has been it has three part. Whatever the part is, one is declaration, one is function calling, and the third one is function definition. Got it? What is declaration? Declaration means whether you are writing the function, okay, you have to declare the function. Declare means उसका जो मेन जो डिक्लेरेशन लाइन है, आई मीन जो आपको बोल रहे इंट्रोडक्शन है, आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करना है कि व्हाट एवर फंक्शन, व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग अ फंक्शन, उसको एक फर्स्ट फ्रंट लाइन होगा जिसमें इट हैज बीन डिक्लेयर्ड, सो डिक्लेरेशन लाइन विल बी द फर्स्ट. उसके बाद the function calling, that is the main part of the function, where it is present, it has to be right in the within the main, but declaration will be out of the main. Okay, there is the three part. One is declaration, another is function calling, and third one is function डेफिनेशन. डेफिनेशन पार्ट क्या है? जो प्रोग्राम आप लोग कर रहे हैं, सपोज अब मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया कि एरिया एंड पेरीमीटर का, एरिया एंड पेरीमीटर निकालना है व्हाट एवर इसका रेक्टेंगल का, तो रेक्टेंगल का एरिया का फॉर्मूला क्या है? या रेक्टेंगुलर के फॉर्मूला है 2 into a plus b, whether a is a length and b is a breadth. 2 into a plus b, तो उसको एक फंक्शंस में we have to declare it. तो उसके लिए फंक्शन डिक्लेरेशंस के लिए we have to use the three part. Whatever part we have to use, we have, whether when we are making the function, we have to use the function void. So एक void निकालना है. अगर आपका फंक्शन का नो रिटर्न टाइप है, अगर रिटर्न टाइप देना है तो int करके we have used, but we have used void means उसका एक डिक्लेरेशन टाइप क्या है? void टाइप का है, right? void, उसका बाद whatever we have to use, we have to create the function name, whatever function name. suppose आपको एरिया निकालना है तो एरिया, rectangle area, or suppose area, only area, whatever name you can give, whatever you have you wished, you can use that name. So area. उसके बाद में there will be first bracket open and first bracket close. first bracket open की अंदर you have to write the functions का जो प्रोटोटाइप है. I mean अगर आपको एरिया और पेरीमीटर दोनों चाहिए, एरिया एंड पेरीमीटर के लिए, एरिया के लिए आपका टू वेरिएबल यू हैव रिक्वायर्ड, दैट इज ए एंड बी. सो वो वाला ए एंड बी, whatever the variable is, you have to put the variable on that. so वो variable will be integer. ठीक है, पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया के लिए we have to use the integer. so the data type, whatever it is, int है or like float है, whatever, we have to declare on that. so int we have to use int a comma int b bracket close, and that is after that you have to use the semicolon on that. got it? क्या मैंने बोला? whether we are using the function, whatever we are creating the function, whatever we are doing, we are creating a function that is void. void means that will be no return type, that is void. इसके void makes the code easier because उसमें जब लास्ट में कुछ रिटर्न टाइप देने का जरूरत नहीं है, that is why I am just using void. if you are you want to use like integer, you can use that int whatever area bracket में int a comma int b. okay, but here I am using void. एक एरिया मैंने सपोज दे दिया, ब्रैकेट ओपन किया, उसके बाद आई हैव यूज्ड int a comma int b bracket 8, and that is the last part में you have to keep in mind that bracket close, and उसके बाद लास्ट में ending with semicolon. that is the declaration of C function. फर्स्ट में फंक्शन की एक डिक्लेरेशन पार्ट होगा, दैट इज नंबर 1 पार्ट जो मैंने आपको अभी आई हैव डिक्लेयर्ड यू. गॉट इट? सो सी फंक्शंस का जो डिक्लेरेशन है दैट इज लाइक दैट. उसके बाद वेदर इज फंक्शन कॉलिंग. व्हाट इज फंक्शन कॉलिंग? जो डिक्लेरेशन हम लोग किया है, जो फंक्शन हम लोग वी हैव क्रिएटेड, दैट वी हैव टू कॉल इट. वेदर वी हैव टू कॉल दैट, we have to call it within the main function. means int main की अंदर में whatever under within the int main we have to call it. how I mean how it has been created. int main function जैसा हम लोग we have to write it int main function. int main के अंदर ही we have to call it whatever. how we have to call it, I will be now explaining you. the function that we have created void area bracket because we have required two variable, that is why int a comma int b bracket 8 semicolon we have used. That is why the calling will be not here. if you are using int main के अंदर जैसा हम लोग कॉलिंग करते हैं, उसमें सिर्फ हम लोगों को निकालना है नॉट वॉइड, सिर्फ एरिया को निकालना है, एरिया ओके, ब्रैकेट ओपन ब्रैकेट क्लोज, जो दो वेरिएबल है उसको इंट इंट करके अभी नहीं लिखना है, सिर्फ ए बी लिखा है हम लोग, ओनली ए बी वी विल नॉट यूज, वी जस्ट यूज थोड़ा अलग सा वेरिएबल हम लोगों को पास करना है, ठीक है, जैसा x कॉमा वाई, एरिया ब्रैकेट x कॉमा वाई ब्रैकेट क्लोज, उसके बाद सेमीकोलन, जस्ट फेच करना है ओनली दैट पार्ट, उसके बाद कोई पार्ट को हम लोगों को फेच नहीं करना है, राइट। सो व्हाट एवर वी हैव टू फेच फ्रॉम ऊपर, जो above, look at the above, जो हम लोग we have created void area, the declaration part we had created, void area bracket int a comma int b bracket close ending. Here we have to create the main thing, that what, that only we have to fetch the area part, area okay, ब्रैकेट ओपन ब्रैकेट क्लोज एकदम करना है, उसमें a and b को as why we will not use a b, because थोड़ा different, because we have to changing the variable, वेरिएबल तो चेंज होता है, वेरिएबल के लिए we have to fetch x comma y, because we are using the different variable x comma y ending, and the ending will be with semicolon, okay, and that is why it is called function calling. In this part within the int main we are calling the function, okay, we are calling the function, and right now it has been ending, okay. So last part, the last part is function definition. What is that? Function definition क्या है? That is a also very 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 vital part, because the function we have created outside the main, that is the declaration part, inside the main, that is the calling part, and the third part will be out of the main. First part में declaration started हो गया, hash include std.h, hash include conai.h, whatever. After that we are declared the part, declaration part has been ended, int main start हुआ है, int main की within the int main we have started, we have called the function, return 0, after that int main के अंदर return 0 करके we have just go outside the function, outside the function we have to create the function definition. क्योंकि why we have to create, because the area we have to calculate here now, the area, the formula, where we have to write the formula, because whether we will not write the formula, the calculation part will be not done, that's why the area whatever we have to write now, whatever the declaration part, you just check the declaration part, the declaration part has been shown that void, samely write void, samely write area, samely write bracket int of a comma b, you can write right now, you can write int a comma b, but in the definition part you have to keep in mind that here no semicolon will be used, the same thing whatever you have write in the whatever you have write in the declaration part, that is you can write the same thing will be, but whatever exception will be there in the definition part, I mean in the third part, no semicolon will be there, okay, no semicolon will be there. Here you just initialize all the same thing that you have write in the declaration part, got it? So in the function there is a three part function call, what this calls actual function, that has to be right in the main function, means within int main the function call has been done, definition part where has been done, it is done under the int main but outside the int main, and the declaration part it has to be declared outside int main but above the int main. Under the int main में क्या होता है, definition function definition part it has been done, but out of the int main above the int main, their declaration part is done. So that is the three main points of declaration, function call, and function definition. Okay. So in the further process, if we have to do, I already told you, because I have already mentioned you about the perimeter. So area के लिए जैसा जैसा हम लोग किया, whatever we have done, the same thing we have to do it whether we are using perimeter. Samely, we have to create the perimeter, any name like void, perimeter, bracket, डिक्लेरेशन पार्ट इट विल बी पेरीमीटर के लिए भी सेमली जो डिक्लेयर पार्ट वो it has been done. Within the int main it has to be called, and outside the int main and under the int main the definition part will be there. पेरीमीटर का जितना फॉर्मूला है वो पार्टी कहाँ पे, outside the int main, under the int main it has to be right. जैसा पेरीमीटर के लिए the formula will be int a int b, उसके लिए जो फॉर्मूला है एक वेरिएबल वी हैव टू स्टोर इट, एंड उसके बाद 2 into a plus b, एंड पेरीमीटर के लिए it will be whatever it will be the formula, you have to write it. Okay, the formula I'm not explaining here, I have to just show you how the function has to be created. So the function has to be created like that. Okay, okay, so next slide में हम लोग we have to go. So whatever I have told you, that function definition, it has to be, the syntax is return type, that is I have already told you above, that is void. उसके बाद में like function name, whatever function I have told you as a just like that area. उसके बाद argument, bracket open, bracket close, and arguments will be, the arguments will be like int a, int b, argument list, body of the function. After that function call, function name, उसके बाद क्या लिखा, arguments list, and उसके after that the semicolon will be there. And the last part is function declaration, उसमें return type, function name, and argument list that I have already declared you. Okay, now I am giving you a simple example for creating a C program. Okay, so what is the example? It is a very simple example. Whatever example I am giving you, that is thora, it's like it's a complex and difficult, but it is a very easier because right, we are creating a function. First में ऐसा, इसमें hash include stdr.h, I have not written, just written void message. Void, it is a void and it is a message. ठीक, sorry, yeah, void message. Void message, void means the prototype, and message is a name of the function that I am creating. The function name is message. The bracket open, bracket close, why only here is a blank? Because it has no data type. The function it has created, but it has no data type. Function open, bracket open, bracket close, and that is the last is ends with semicolon. Okay, so function definition or declaration part has been done here. After that, we are starting here with int main. Main program is starting here, and the bracket int main, within the int main, the second bracket has been opened. Right now, the part is whatever part will be done, like function calling of the function is for that we are using message, bracket open, bracket close, and semicolon. The same thing will be there, not here void will be used. No prototype will be used here. Okay, in the calling part, no prototype will be used, only the function name, bracket open, bracket close. If there will be the argument or argument list, that you can mention, but here no argument list is there, that is why only bracket open, bracket close, and mustly have to use the semicolon for the function calling part. Okay, so here a message has been printed, cry and stop, cry and you stop the monotony. The message has been printed. Okay, now return 0, bracket or complete. Uske after that the function definition part is there. Whatever part is there, function definition. Okay, it is function declaration. Okay, function declaration, function call, and function definition. Okay, wait, थोड़ा function, yeah, function definition. Okay, sorry. So function definition, function call, function declaration, I think all of you already understood, right? So right now, after the function definition part here, smile and the world smiles with you. Okay, so what it is, it is the declaration part, means whatever the function has been called here, the function has been called na, here the function has been called na, message, जो message we have called, that is the void message, the third part, the function definitions उसके अंदर, और under that whatever is present, wait, yeah, smile and the world smiles with you. This is the message that has been called in the int main, so that this message, I mean in the output part, whether you are writing the output, whatever it will be given smile and the whole world, the world, WORLD, world smiles with you. World smiles with you. That will be showing first. Why? Because in the int main, first whether the program has been starting, we have called it, and the calling function जो definition और definition part है, उसमें whatever printf message has been shown, it has been shown that smile and the whole world smiles with you. So it will be first initialized. After that cry and you stop monotony, क्योंकि फर्स्ट में मैसेज का जो कॉलिंग है वो फर्स्ट कॉल हुआ है ना, इसके लिए वो ही फर्स्ट आउटपुट में आएगा. उसके बाद क्या आएगा? उसके बाद इट विल बी शोइंग that part like cry and stop the monotony. Wait, let's go. Try and you stop the monotony. Yes. So इसको, okay, that will be the output. I think you can understand whatever I have told. Right now we will go to the another example of function that has been created here. A function has been given, that is square, float square. So whatever I have told you because about area and perimeter of a rectangle, here has been given the example of square. So hash include str.h normally. Right now we have to creating or declare the function declaration part. Samely function declaration, you are creating the function here, declaration, function declaration float. Okay, the prototype has been float, sorry, not prototype, it's like return type is float. Right now the name of the function is square. Okay, and the prototype is float of x, because it is a square, so only one variable you have required. So within the bracket it has been given float of x. Function declaration part has been done. Function declaration करने के बाद it has to be go to the int main में whatever we have the main thing, call the function. Yeah, so calling the function. So for the calling function, you just right now see that square of m, only square. I have told you that not the return type will be there, so only square. And उसके बाद जो float है फ्लोट को हटाना है. Only the variable have to use. I have already told you before the explanation part whether we are using giving example or for area and perimeter of a rectangle. So here the variable has to be changed. That is why we are using in the same variable that we are using in the declaration part. We have to not use that. That is why you can use whatever y, z, a, b, c, d, whatever, but whatever we have used here in x, here the same we will not use. Okay, so square hem has been used. Uske baad float of square, float of x. Okay, this is the definition part. Definition part, samely float, samely square, same fetch we will do it. Float of x, whatever we have using in the first part, I mean part 1, इसको बोलते हैं पार्ट 1, इसको बोलते हैं राइट नाउ वी आर गिविंग इट दैट इट इज पार्ट 2. ओके, एंड दिस इज पार्ट 3. This is part 3. So whatever we are using part 1 and part 3, that will be same, just exception, whatever exception will be there here, no semicolon will be used in the definition part. Definition में जो formula है, जो the definition, whatever the formula, the main formula, we have to keep it that. So whatever program will do, first it will create the program, I mean we are creating the function, and after that whenever we are creating the program function, here in the int main it will be calling m, इसको वो m को कॉल करेगा, उसके बाद कॉल करने के बाद वो यहाँ पे चले आएगा, कहाँ पे, फ्लोट स्क्वायर में चले आएगा, ये वाला कॉलिंग वाला पार्ट, एंड उसके बाद ये वाला कैलकुलेशन होकर ये बा, देन फिर इट विल बी कम्स टू द इंट मेन पार्ट. ओके, गॉट इट. Now we are coming to the next slide, that is how to call C functions in a program. So C functions has to be two parts. One is call by value and another is call by reference. What is call by value? I have to give an example for that. चलो, जो पहला जो प्रोग्राम था, whatever the program we were using for, ये वाला जो प्रोग्राम था स्वैप. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम में हम लोग एग्जाम्पल क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. Yeah, so for using that part we are using the same example that we have used it in the earlier part. So जो पहले जो स्लाइड था उसमें एग्जांपल्स लेकर ही हम लोग समझेंगे कि what is call by value and what is call by reference. Call by value के लिए जो हम लोग प्रोटोटाइप यूज कर रहे थे ना, ये वाला फ्लोट ऑफ एक्स, इसमें क्या पास हो रही थी, कॉल इसमें क्या पास हो रही थी, सॉरी, इसमें एक एक्स क्या है, एक्स एक वैल्यू है ना, एक वैल्यू को देकर हम लोग ये प्रोग्राम को पास कर रहे हैं. वेदर व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग द वैल्यू विद इन द फंक्शन, दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉल बाय वैल्यू. What is called by reference then? If you are telling that, then ma'am you have, or if we are giving the, if we are creating the program, we have to give the value na. Yes, always. If we are not giving the value, it will be not calculate, it will be not giving the accurate result. So all time तो वैल्यू को ही हम लोग यूज करेंगे, एब्सोल्युटली वैल्यू को यूज करेंगे. दैट इज कॉल्ड, इसको जो हम लोग वैल्यू को पास कर रहे हैं, ये वाला फ्लोट एक्स, ये वाला एम, इसको फ्लोट एक्स बोल रहे हैं. ऑल आर कॉल्स सेइंग दैट इट इज कॉल्ड बाय वैल्यू. सो मैम you tell that what is called by reference then. Now I'm going to the main point, that what is called by reference. Call by reference actually is that when we are passing the value, ठीक है, उसको ही तो कॉल बाय वैल्यू बोलते हैं. बट इफ we are not using the value, except of using value, if we are passing the address of the value, ये x का एक एड्रेस होता है, ठीक है, x का एक एड्रेस होता है. सपोज द लोकेशन x का एड्रेस है 65524, सपोज, ठीक है, एक x है, इसमें एक x है, सपोज इसमें एक x है, ठीक है. wait we are giving you the example, ठीक है, इसमें एक x, राइट नाउ यू जस्ट राइट x, ठीक है, x का एक वैल्यू है जिसको बोलता है x इक्वल्स टू 10. इसको हम लोग पास करेंगे. इफ वी आर नॉट, x का एक वैल्यू है, x ये लोकेशन पे एक एड्रेस भी होता है जिसमें ये लोकेट होता है, ठीक है। जो जितना वैल्यू हम लोग कंप्यूटर में वी हैव स्टोर्ड, each and every values has an address. So if we are using the value that is called call by value, but if we are not using the value, except of using the value, if we are passing the address through the function, that is called call by reference. अगर हम लोग वो लोकेशन, आई मीन अगर इफ वी आर यूजिंग दैट एड्रेस, द रिजल्ट विल बी सेम। अगर आप लोग बोलेंगे कि मैम यहाँ पे अगर एड्रेस पास करेंगे तो यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन ठीक होगा, एकदम एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट होगा। एड्रेस अगर पास करेंगे तो वो उस वैल्यू वैल्यू को ये वो लोकेट करेंगे, ठीक है। और एड्रेस पास करने के लिए जो द चेंजेस इट विल बी हियर, स्टार एक यूज होगा, स्टार, ठीक है। इसमें स्टार की जगह में एड्रेस के लिए हम लोग जस्ट चेंज कर लेंगे एक एम्परसेंड, एम्परसेंड वेट, या इसमें एक एम्परसेंड होगा, एम्परसेंड ऑफ यू होगा, और इसमें अगर इसमें भी एक स्टार हो जाएगा, स्टार होगा। और इसमें क्या होगा, हियर ऑल्सो वी हैव टू यूजिंग स्टार। इसकी पहले भी एक स्टार एंड इसमें एक स्टार होगा, ठीक है। सो जो कैलकुलेशन पार्ट दैट विल बी यूजिंग पॉइंटर, जिसमें स्टार हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं वो स्टार को हम लोग बोलते हैं पॉइंटर। पॉइंटर मींस की वैल्यू का एड्रेस है, ठीक है। व्हाट इज पॉइंटर? पॉइंटर इज अ एड्रेस ऑफ अ वेरिएबल that we are using in the function and in the lots of places for using the C program, whether we have to use the address of the variable, that is called actually pointer, okay. And for what is called by reference, when we are using the address of a any variable except of using the value, जिसमें हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, इसका वैल्यू को आई मीन 10 को यूज ना करके 65524, आई मीन वो जो लोकेशन पे इट इज हैज बीन प्लेस्ड, वी आर यूजिंग दैट लोकेशन, दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉल बाय रेफरेंस। सो कॉल बाय रेफरेंस के लिए एक स्वैपिंग का प्रोग्राम भी यहाँ पे यू हैव गिवन, सो यू कैन नोट डाउन इट। कॉल बाय रेफरेंस स्वैपिंग का प्रोग्राम। So right now we are coming to the point of pointer, because if you have to know the call by reference, you must have to know the pointer. So what is pointer? I'm already told you. Here has been explained that pointer is a reference to another variable in a program. It means that pointer क्या है? Pointer क्या है? जो दूसरा जो वेरिएबल का जो एड्रेस को इट हैज बीन होल्ड। पॉइंटर अपने एड्रेस को नहीं होल्ड करते हैं, इट हैज बीन, पॉइंटर क्या करता है? पॉइंटर इज अ वेरिएबल दैट हैज बीन यूज्ड टू स्टोर द एड्रेस ऑफ अनदर वेरिएबल। पॉइंटर इज यूज्ड टू स्टोर द एड्रेस ऑफ अनदर वेरिएबल। Variables are allocated at address in computer memory, ठीक है। Name of the variable is reference to that memory address. A pointer variable contains a representation of an address of another variable that I have already told you. Pointer क्या करते हैं? वो दूसरा जो वेरिएबल है, ठीक है, पॉइंटर क्या करते हैं? एक दूसरा वेरिएबल को जो एड्रेस है उसको ऑलवेज होल्ड करते हैं। इसमें एक थोड़ा एक एग्जांपल है, int v equals to 101, int स्टार v, स्टार v एक दूसरा एक वेरिएबल है जिसका क्या कर रहे, v का जो एड्रेस है उसको क्या के कौन होल्ड कर रहे हैं? ये वाला p वाला पॉइंटर उसको होल्ड कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। सो v इज लाइक सम वैल्यू और p इज सम वैल्यू, बट क्या कर रहे हैं? स्टार p वॉट एवर इट हैज बीन आई मीन होल्डिंग, इट हैज बीन होल्डिंग द एड्रेस ऑफ v। स्टार p मीन्स क्या है? स्टार p is a pointer variable that has been stored the address of another variable। another variable कौन है? b का है। b का जो वैल्यू है 101 है। p का पॉइंटर p it has been created, it has been stored the address value of v। इसको याद में रखना है कि pointer is a variable that has been stored the address of another variable. Suppose v is a normal variable जिसका वैल्यू है 101, p is a another variable जिसका वैल्यू है, p का वैल्यू है 102 suppose. But if we are creating the pointer variable with p, so int star p equals to address of v. Suppose v का एड्रेस है 65524 and p का एड्रेस है 65528. So whatever p has been stored, p has been already p has been stored. The address of v, whatever मैंने बोला address of v, it is 65524. So star p means it is equals to 65524 because v का वैल्यू है 101, p का वैल्यू है 102. So p का एड्रेस है 65524. Suppose this is 1 and this is the 2 thing. ठीक है, इसका वैल्यू है 101 p equals to 101. थोड़ा बड़ा करते हैं, या p equals to 101. Enter. Okay, and this is v equals to 102. Okay, yeah. ओके, सो p का एड्रेस है, p का वैल्यू है 101, v का वैल्यू है 102, p का एड्रेस है 65524, v का एड्रेस है 65528. सो what is star p? Star p means a p is a pointer variable which has been stored. The address of v का एड्रेस है, the address of v का एड्रेस क्या है, सॉरी मैंने थोड़ा गलत बोला था, v का एड्रेस है 65528. So star p means 65528 क्योंकि star p is storing the address of v. So there is a sort of example to give you the more explanation that how the pointer program has been created. Hash include str.h int main, int m equals to 100. Star ptr means we are creating a pointer of m. Star ptr means ampersand of m. Ampersand of m means m का जो address है it has been stored it. M suppose m का address है 65524. Similarly I am giving you, ठीक है, आई एम गिविंग यू, उसका एड्रेस है 65524. प्रिंट ऑफ द वैल्यू ऑफ m इज %d. प्रिंट ऑफ द वैल्यू द मेमोरी एड्रेस ऑफ अ वेरिएबल m इज, मेमोरी एड्रेस को वी हैव स्टोर्ड इट यूजिंग %p. ओके, एड्रेस के लिए %p बैकस्लैश n एंड ampersand of m. Ampersand of m, I am suppose giving you 65524. The memory address of a variable using pointer, उसको क्या कर रहे हैं, %p \n and ptr. So that is the overall idea of function and pointer. I think you have already understood it very well. So thank you for the presentation. I think I have given you the understanding of C languages, function and pointer. If you will everyday practice it, I think it will be more and more easier to you. Thank you so much.